How to completely disable Google Discover on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just make a long press on the home screen over here. As you do that, tap on the home screen settings and tap on more. Now scroll down and to the very end you can see the option of show suggestions. So make sure that you toggle off the option. As you toggle off the option, now you can just go back and launch Google application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and select on settings. As you select on settings, tap on the search bar on settings and simply search for Discover. And here you can just toggle off this option. So when you toggle off this option, you'll be able to completely disable the Google Discover on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.